Hey housemates, how are you? Okay, so I'm going to ask you a series of questions and I need you to respond this time, okay? Have you been working? Have you been booking jobs? Have you been rehearsing? Have you been going for auditions? Have you been watching movies like I told you to? Do you have any issues at all or any things that are of concern to you? Whatever it is, leave your messages or your questions or your suggestions in the comment section, okay? Go there and comment and let me know exactly what's going on with you and let's see what we can do to help, all right? Okay, so today we're going to be talking about how to book more jobs with social media. It is very important because social media has become everybody's office. This is where people get to find you, people get to know you, people follow you, what you're doing. And so, most of the time now, people who want to work go to your social media feed to see the kind of things you're posting, to see the kind of personality you have, and if you're the kind of person that they really want to work with before they even get to the talent part. But they also want to see a little bit of your talent on your social media feed. So if you hear about a singer, for instance, and somebody says, oh, I'm a singer, this is my handle. When you go to their feed, you want to see some videos of the person singing. You want to see some things that the person has done in music. You don't want to go to the person's page and you just see random pictures of glam, of lifestyle, of going to stores, or of traveling here and there. You will scroll and scroll and scroll looking for proof of the person's talent. I know I do it. I don't know about you. So if you have a social media platform and you say you're an actor, when people come to your social media feed, they want to see something that proves that you're an actor, especially if you're not yet established, if you're not a household name. If you're a household name, you really don't need to prove anything to anyone. People already know who you are. But if you're still trying to build your brand as an actor, people want to come to your feed and know exactly who you are, see the proof of it, and see if it's something they can work with. So here are a few things, because there are a lot of them. There are a lot of tips that you can get for using social media, but there are a few tips that I have learned and gathered over the years that I feel will help you as an actor so that you get the right attention from the right people. Because when you post a lot of glam and you don't balance it with work, you will get a lot of people that come and like your pictures because of your dress, because of your hair, because of your money, because of your car. But then you don't get the attention from the people that want to give you the work that keeps you as a star or as a celebrity. So you also want to get those kinds of people and balance your social media. So the first advice I have is let your handle on all your social media platforms be the same. Some people have a problem with that. Meaning on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, if you use LinkedIn, if you use Snapchat, whatever social media platform you have, try as much as possible to make your handle the same. If you go and search for me everywhere, I have the same name. Stella Damasus Instagram, Stella Damasus Twitter, Stella Damasus Facebook, Stella Damasus LinkedIn, Stella Damasus Snapchat, Stella Damasus Pinterest. Everywhere you can find me on social media is the same name. Now, for those of you who were not able to find your name in the different platforms and you want to vary it, it's kind of confusing because some casting directors or some producers might prefer Twitter to Instagram, some might prefer Facebook to Instagram, but whatever it is, let your name be something they can identify when they search for you. Which brings me to some people that like to use, for instance, let me use my name, Stella Damasus _, this, or XX that, or Stella XX, or Stella Damasus, or Stella, using 57, or Stella 2348. Things like that, they don't really resonate well for a brand. Because don't forget, when you become an actor, you become a brand. You have to build that brand as if you're building a company that you registered. And you have a company logo, you have a byline, you have a mission statement. You know, the way you will handle a company is the way you have to handle your brand. So try not to use XX _ numbers with your name. Rather, if your name, if for instance Stella Damasus was taken and I couldn't get it, I will put the Stella Damasus on all my platforms, or the real Stella Damasus, or official Stella Damasus, or Stella Damasus 1, something that, not one as a number one, like written word, or I am Stella Damasus, you know, things that will identify you without having numbers or underscores or other symbols that people will use. It's easier for people to just type out something and have your name there as opposed to using those things, okay? Now, the next thing is, I have noticed some people put actor beside their names. That's not a very good look for you, I'm sorry. I don't care what any other person says, but I don't see why you should put actor beside your name. Like, let me use me again, Stella Damasus actor on Twitter or on Facebook. No, don't do that. That's why they have bios. Put your name, how you want to be identified, how your brand is identified, how people know you, what do they call you. Use your name, and then underneath your name, there's always a place where you can put your bio. There you can put actor. You can put whatever you want to put to describe what you do or who you are, which is very important. Always, always make sure that you don't put Stella Damasus actor or Stella Damasus singer or Stella Damasus director. No, that shouldn't go on your handle. It should go in your bio, okay? Then your bio should tell people who you are the moment they come to your page. When they come to your feed and they go and look you up on social media, when they see your name, underneath your name, they should know exactly who you are. Because look, you're free to do whatever you want, but if you really want to build your brand as you know, an aspiring actor, or you're growing, you haven't really become a household name and you're still growing, there are some things you really need to pay attention to. So if you come to my page, the first thing you see is actor before any other thing, because that's who I am first, before any other thing. So when they come to your page, a lot of people have this thing where they go, I'm a very funny, easygoing dog lover. Okay, fine, you love dogs, but is that why you're on social media? If you're an actor and you want the kind of attention that will get you more work, and I'm talking to people who want more work, not people who just want to be glammed up and have people love them because of their glam. I'm saying that if you really want to work as an actor, there are some things you need to do. So your bio should tell me exactly who you are the moment I search for your handle. You can add that later because there's a little bit of space, but just tell me who you are. What do you do? You're an actor, you're an engineer, you're a coach, you're a writer. Let me see that. Let that be the first thing you write. You know, you're an entertainer who owns this company, or you are the managing director of this, or let me know who you are. You are an actor who also sings. Yeah, I'm an actor. I sing, but I also love, but let me see who you are the moment I take a glance at your bio. Then there must be a web link. If there is none, put a link somewhere. Your web link should have either your website. If you don't have an actor's website, you might want to look into getting one. It doesn't have to be expensive. It can be a cheap one. Some people now have learned to use landing pages as their own link, that when you click on the link, it takes you to a landing page, and that is one page with their headshots and their resume, things they've done, things they can do as actors and stuff like that. It can be that. It can also be a link to your IMDb. A lot of people don't know what IMDb is. If you don't know, look it up. If you do not have IMDb credits, that should be your goal right now, because that's the way to go. For you to be authenticated as a real actor, you must have IMDb credits, okay? So you could also put your link to the IMDb credits, or you could put a link to places where your film, they can see a film that you've done, or your trailer, or your reel. It could be a YouTube link. If you don't have a YouTube channel as an actor, I would advise you to get one. It's very important. You can put different things there, clips of what you've done, trailers of what you've done, your monologues, you know, whatever it is you want to post about your life as an actor. Your YouTube channel is a place you can put it. But you must have a web link, something that links people to another place that will really tell them details of who you are and what you do, okay? Now we go into posts for production, the production that you have done or are about to do. I like to do pre-production posts, That is very good to boost what you're doing. Tells people that you're about to start a production. Now, I always advise you take permission from the producer of the movie that, hey, I'm going to do pre-production posts, take pictures on set and all that. Is that okay? I want to tell people that we're about to make something magical. Is that okay? If you have permission to do that, please go ahead and do that. So for pre-production posts, I like to take pictures of rehearsals, me and the other actors with our scripts, breaking down the script at the rehearsal table, at the reading table, take pictures of all of us and show how excited we are that we're about to make something powerful. It's good to do that if you're trying to get more work, if you're trying to get more producers to see that you post and you publicize whatever work you're a part of. They appreciate it. And they will actually want you to be a part of whatever they're doing next time because they know that you will keep posting. Post about your rehearsal, your personal rehearsal. Put pictures of yourself reading your script, breaking it down. Pictures of yourself walking into the rehearsal venue, you know, using hashtags of about to make magic happen, taking pictures with the other actors, you know, looking normal and simple before you get on location and all of that, and how excited you are and all, and just having people guess what kind of role you're going to play and things like that, you know. And then after that, during the production itself, it is nice to post. Now, not to post anything that will go against what the producer wants people to see. That's why I always say take permission first. Take pictures of the cast, take pictures of the crew. When you elevate and celebrate crew members, they love you. And when they love you, they always suggest your name to whoever is directing or whoever the producer is. They always want to work with you because you're nice to them. You're friendly to them. You're posting about the people behind the camera that make these things happen, that make the magic happen. They make you look good as an actor. So post about the set, the location, how beautiful it is, you know, how magical it is, what you're enjoying. Oh, we're about to go for lunch now, time to take a break from filming. You know, do your Snapchat, do your Instagram, your Insta story, do a lot of things that are fun. Take pictures of the costume department. Oh, I'm about to get into costume, hair and makeup and all of that. Make it fun. And then most importantly, I love it when people take rap videos, but not the rap of, hey, yo, you know, no, not that kind of rap. WRAP, like when you are wrapped for the film, when you've concluded the movie, the last day of filming, the last scene of filming the whole movie, people come together. Even if there is no rap party, you can actually just call everybody together, just tell them how grateful you are to have the opportunity to work with them, how much fun you had, and you can't wait to see the outcome of the film. Just gather everybody, do videos, take pictures, laugh, dance, do whatever you want, make it fun. People always, even me, I love to watch other people's videos when they wrap the movie, okay? Also, it is good to do post-production. Post-production posts are good. Use your hashtags, use your, oh, expect this, anticipate this from this amazing director. I worked with him and he's great. Oh, this crew member or this other actor, you know, just celebrate people, celebrate the movie. Keep posting, follow casting directors, follow your producer, your director, whatever they're posting about the movie, do the repost and as many interviews as they ask you to do, just go ahead and do it. Post yourself. If you go for an interview for the movie, tell someone to take a picture of you on the TV set or whatever, you know, just do as much as you can to post. Now we've talked about the things about production, everything you should do to post during the production, but everything has to have a balance as well. But as an actor, once in a while, especially like I said, if you're not a household name yet, if you're not a big star yet, you want to do monologues once in a while. You want to take your favorite scene from a movie that you like, no matter what movie it is, and do a short clip, short monologue, and just post it out there. When people come to your feed, it's easy for them to know who you are and what you can do. Just do different ones with different emotions. Maybe this week you can do one with a depressed emotion. Next week you can do one with, you know, high tempo, you know. Another one you can do one with anger. One you can do one with excitement. Anything you want to do, post a monologue once in a while, okay? You can also give tips of things you have learned. I mean, you don't have to be way up there for you to advise other people on things that you have encountered or on things that you've learned on location or from any advice that you got on set and something. You could just post it, oh, while I was on set, I worked with this person and I learned that this, or I observed this, or the director said it's better to do this. Post it once in a while. Encourage other people as well that are looking for work or are trying to do this and that. Tell them how you do your own auditioning or how you do your own rehearsal or the kind of scripts that you go for. You could also do a top 5. Pick your top 5 movies or TV series or whatever it is and have people comment and give you their own top 5 and why. You could do favorite actors or favorite actresses, favorite movies, whatever it is that you can engage a community that has to do with entertainment. You can show people who you are, what you appreciate, what you do regularly, and what you enjoy as an actor. And then when you do all of this, you can now balance it with your glam pictures, hair, makeup, with your ring light. For the guys, you can take picture of your watch and shoe or whatever, like you people like to do, or when you travel and stuff like that. But when you travel out of the country, whilst you go to the biggest name stores and buy your designer outfits and show people the bag and walk on the streets of New York and all that, do something different for a change. Go to Barnes and Nobles, pick up a book on acting, and take a picture of it. And make sure you read the book, because you will have to give tips on other posts later on of the things that you've learned from the book. Pick up a book and take a picture. Trust me, people will respect you and know that you respect and appreciate your craft more than just the glamorous pictures that you post. I'm not saying be boring. I mean, show them your glam, your lifestyle. It's fun. People like to see it. But let them also see the intellectual side of you, the artistic and the talented side of you, which is why they're following you in the first place, okay? I hope that these tips that I've given you will help you transform your social media, especially for those that don't know what to post or are not sure of what to post, and those that really want to get the attention of the right people. Use the right hashtags. You could tag people that you feel you want them to see your work. A lot of people tag An Actors Playhouse when they want me to see what they're doing in acting. Okay, so I've reposted some people that have, tagged An Actors Playhouse because I like what they're doing. Some people tag me personally when they're doing other things that has to do with women and children and young girls and child marriage and education and stuff like that. They know the kind of things I'm passionate about. So when they post that, they tag me. So as an actor, tag those people that you feel you want them to see what you're doing, and use the right hashtags and all of that, and post at proper times of the day, okay? I hope this will help you, honestly, and like I said, leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you've been up to and whatever issues or problems you're having, and let's see how we can help, okay? Thank you, guys. I'll talk to you again soon.